This video we're going to make a color wheel. So what you are going to need is you're going to get some crayons or color pencils or markers. You are going to need a lid or some type of small cup that you can trace the outline of the circle for. Or if you have a stencil, you can use a stencil, but I'm going to go ahead and just use a little cup. And I am going to get a marker. You can use a pencil if you want, but I'm using a marker so you can see my lines. And I'm going to trace the edge of my lid and make a circle. The circle does not have to be big. We're just making a circle so I can show you how to make a color wheel. Okay, so there's my circle. Now in the circle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the circle into some slices, just like a pizza. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to make an X inside of the circle. So I'm going to get a straight edge or a ruler, and I'm going to make an X inside of the circle. Okay. And then the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to make a straight line across the circle, just like this. And what that does is it divides your circle into 6 pieces. It looks like a pizza pie. Alright, so what you're going to do next is you're going to get your colors, and there are 3 primary colors: blue, yellow, and red. Those are called primary colors. With the 3 colors, you are going to get one of the colors. Let's take red for example, and you're going to color one of the slices red. So let's just color this one for example. I'm going to color this one red. Get your crayons or your color pencils or your marker and color one slice red. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the next primary color. I'm going to skip a slice and I'm going to color the next one yellow. So this slice here, I'm coloring it yellow. And then the third primary color, blue, I'm going to skip a slice and I'm going to color this slice blue. Pause the video if you need to, if I'm going too fast. Alright, so this slice will be blue. So, doesn't matter which order, but you color one slice red, skip a slice, one slice yellow, skip a slice, one slice blue. Then, the next thing what we do is to make the secondary colors. Secondary colors means you take 2 primary colors and you mix the 2, and that turns into one color. So for example, I'm going to take red and yellow. If I mix red and yellow together, that's going to turn into orange. So I'm going to color this slice orange, because when you mix red and yellow, it turns into orange. And this particularly happens especially when you're painting. But we're making a color wheel, so this video shows you how to make a color wheel. So 2 primary colors, red and yellow, you mix it together, turns into a secondary color, turns into orange. The next one I'm going to take yellow and blue, and if I mix yellow and blue together, that turns into green. So I'm going to make this slice green. So yellow and blue makes green. And you color this slice in here, green. Okay, and then the last slice, if you take the 2 primary colors of red and blue, you mix those 2 together and you get purple or maroon. So you color this slice either purple or maroon. So red and blue makes purple, yellow and red makes orange, yellow and blue makes green, and that is your color wheel. And just to show you real quick that it actually does work, especially with paint, if you get a little bit of yellow and you get a little bit of red, and I mix the 2 together, yellow and red makes orange, and there you go.